Today, I'll show you exactly how to add stream labels to OBS Studio using cloud-based services, the easiest and most reliable way to get real-time updates like latest follower, John Doe, or top donor right on your live stream. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have dynamic, auto-updating text on your scenes without needing to fuss with manual updating or complicated setups. So, let's jump straight in. First, we're going to set up the labels in your chosen cloud service. You'll want to head over to your dashboard on whichever platform you're using. This is usually Stream, Elements, Streamlabs, or even Kick's dashboard, if that's what you prefer. This dashboard is basically the command center for your stream's overlays and widgets. Take your time exploring the interface if you're new. Most of these services have clear menus on the side. What you're looking for is the section called Stream Labels, or sometimes Overlays. These sections let you customize exactly what you want viewers to see, whether it's your newest follower, your top donor of all time, or maybe something more specific like your current subscriber count. When you configure each label, you're deciding what data you want to show off. For newer streamers, latest follower is a great way to thank viewers live on air. If you're running a fundraising event, top donor can motivate additional donations, and showing your follower count is always a great metric to share your growth. Don't worry if you're unsure which labels to choose for now. You can always come back and tweak these choices later as your channel evolves. Once you've configured those labels, you'll need to generate what's called a browser source URL. This is the special address your labels live at on the internet. Most services make this super easy. There's usually an all-in-one overlay URL available, which bundles all your labels into a single link. Or you can get individual URLs if you want each label separate. Here, think of it like bookmarks for your audience data. Carefully copy the URL for the label or labels that you want to display in OBS. Just a heads up, if you accidentally copy a generic overlay link, you might pull in more information than you intended, but don't worry. You can always swap them out if you change your mind. Now, switching over to OBS Studio. Here's how you bring those labels into your scene, smoothly and professionally. In OBS, look under the Sources panel at the bottom. Click the little plus icon. That's how you add new elements to your scene. From the list that pops up, choose Browser Source. You'll get a window where you can paste that URL you just copied. Think of this as inviting someone to place a live scorecard directly onto your broadcast. Paste the URL into the field provided. Next, set your width and height. These control how much space the label will take up on your scene. If you're unsure, starting with something like 800 by 200 pixels gives you a good, readable size, and you can always adjust later. Hit OK, and voila, your label will pop up on your preview window, ready to go. What's fantastic here is that OBS Studio will keep checking that URL for new data. So if someone follows or donates, the label updates instantly. No manual refresh needed. It's seamless for you and impressive for your viewers. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up stream labels in OBS with real-time updates powered by cloud services. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm here to help. For more streaming tips and detailed tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upload. Good luck on your next stream.